Student, today we'll discuss properties of inverse Laplace transform. So before starting the properties, I'll discuss one question with you. Suppose we have to find out L inverse of 1 by s minus 2. So we can easily see that L inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 is e to the power 2t. But suppose if we have to find out L inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 whole square. Now this is not simply 1 by s upon s 1 by s minus a. This becomes what? Function of what? S minus a. So if we have to find L inverse of function of s minus a, we have to use first shifting property, which is given as L inverse of f of s minus a or function of s minus a is equals to what? E to the power at multiplied by ft. This whole we have studied in our Laplace transform property. Laplace of e to the power at ft is what? F of s minus a. So just we have to reverse this condition. If we have to find out L inverse of f of s minus a, it is given by what? E to the power at ft. So what we have to do, we have to first find out this function ft, as we know that ft is what? L inverse of fs. After finding out this ft, we have to put this ft here, and hence we can find out L inverse of function of s minus a. For example, suppose what we have discussed in the previous question, if we have to find out this L inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 whole square. Now we can easily see a is what? 2 here. If we compare this property, if we compare this question with this property, we can easily see that a is what? 2 here. And also our fs function is what? If we replace this s minus 2 by s, we can easily get our fs function, which is simply 1 by s square. Now we come to the property. Now if we have to find out this L inverse of this function, so it is given by e to the power at multiplied by ft. So what is a here? A is 2. So it is e to the power 2t multiplied by ft. Now what is ft? As we have already discussed, our ft is L inverse of fs. So simply this is L inverse of fs, which is simply 1 by s square. Now e to the power 2t L inverse of 1 by s square, or we can write it as 1 by s to the power 1 plus 1, and we can easily say n is what? 1 here. So L inverse of this whole is t, and so L inverse of this 1 by upon s minus 2 whole square is given by e to the power 2t multiplied by